Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon, stay gold. All I need are your eyes.
So today we're expecting 60 schools from across Essex. That's around 3,000 young people all coming to campus to find out more about food and farming.
I see the light.
Morning, my name is Scott Norris and I'm very proud to be here today as this year's President of Essex Agricultural Society.
High ground, if the stars watching over us fade out, we'll keep running into the wild.
I think my favourite thing was probably the Chelmsford beekeeping because we keep bees at our house and I love bees and they're so cute.
We're running into the
Well, I didn't know that sheep make milk.
So here we are today at Writtle Agricultural College, enjoying a day with 3,000 children who are learning about where food comes from. And I'm loving the fact that we are teaching children that food doesn't just come from a fridge or from a supermarket. Actually, it starts somewhere, and it starts with farmers.
I think the main thing to take away from today's show for the young people is to find out that where their food comes from, understanding that it comes from the land and from the animals on the land and how it's produced and how it's turned into the food that they know and love.
So one of the privileges of this job this year is to judge the scarecrows here today at Schools Day, and you can see behind me that the schools have all brought along a scarecrow. They were given a theme of King Charles's coronation as a basic idea.
My favourite part of the day was picking all the vegetables and eating them.
hand in my hand, darling.